I'm going to start the same way we started with 1 point perspective. I'm going to do my horizon line just like we did before, but this time, since it's 2 points, I'm going to do a vanishing point here and a vanishing point here. Now, the difference between 2 point and 1 point is in 1 point, you always start with the shape. In 2 point, there's no more shapes. Everything starts with a line, regardless if it's 3D or flat. So, I'm going to start with my vertical line. I'm going to make my line go to my vanishing point, on this side, then I'll make it go to the vanishing point on the other side. Remember, I like to stop my lines shorter so that I don't have to erase as much. Now this is vertical, so right here I go vertical. This is vertical, so over here I also go vertical. And you can make it as big or small as you want. I'm going to erase my extra vanishing lines. And my building is not see-through, so I have to erase my horizon line behind it. Now that's a regular building. If a building is floating, you do the same thing. I'm going to start with my vertical line. I'm going to make it go to the vanishing point. I'm going to also make it go to the vanishing point. This side will go to this side vanishing point. This one will go to this vanishing point. Now, just like we did before with this one, here's my vertical line, so I'm going to put a vertical line here. Parallel lines. Here's my vertical line, so I'm going to put a vertical line here. And once again, just like I did before, I'm going to erase my vanishing lines. Now also, when something is above the horizon line, you can see the bottom of it. So I'm taking this corner and I'm going to go to this point over here. This one will go to that one over there. So they crisscross. This one, I'm going to make it go to this vanishing point there. The other corner, I'm going to make it go over here. So I'm going to go to this vanishing point there. And then I'll erase my extra vanishing lines. And that's how you get a building or something floating in the air. It could be the bottom of a hot air balloon or something. Now to make one down here, like it's below the horizon line, I do the same thing that I did before. I start with my vertical line, and I'm not going to use the ruler just to make it faster. But you should use a ruler when you do yours. I'm going to go to the vanishing point. I'm going to go here, it's kind of crooked, sorry, towards the vanishing point, Again, here's my vertical, so here's my vertical. Here's my vertical, so there's my vertical line. I erase all the extra. This corner is going to go to that point. This corner is going to go to that point. And then I erase my extra. And that's how you make boxes in 2-point perspective. Below the horizon line, you can see the top. On the horizon line, you can only see the sides. And then above the horizon line, you can see the bottoms.